Good morning to all students belonging to class intermediate RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am teaching you the play or drama written by William Shakespeare, the greatest dramatist in English literature. The name of the play is The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. You know that William Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist. His tragedies are world famed as Hamlet, Othello, Tempest, etc. And there are also the comic plays written by Shakespeare, like Twelfth Night, Merchant of Venice, All for Lover. These. He was the greatest dramatist. In the play, The Merchant of Venice, in the opening scene we find Antonio the merchant, ship trader. He is very rich person. He has many ships and his position among the ship traders is like a prince. But this time all the ships have gone to the other countries across the sea. And because those ships have not returned within time or after time also, so he is very worried. In the meantime, his two friends come, Salanio and Salario. Salanio and Salarino. There were two friends who come to meet Antonio at his residence. So they see that Antonio is very sober. He is little disturbed. Salanio asked what is the reason of his sadness. But he beats about the bush and says that he is not sorry, he is not sad, he is not sorrowful, but it is the structure of his face that shows the other emotions. But Salarino says that anybody whose ships have betrayed, whose ships have strayed, means due to the opposite winds, the ships have gone to the other places, other islands. It may be that some of them may be damaged. That's why it is natural that he should be sorrowful. He would be thinking about the ships, arrival of them. Then the two friends go away, and at once his close friend named Bassanio comes. Bassanio comes to him. He was very fashionable young man, put on good clothes, ate in the expensive restaurants, and spent a lot of money in useless ways. The result was that his all money was wasted, spent, and for any need he had to take shelter in the residence of Antonio. He comes to Antonio and says that he had borrowed money for many times and he had not paid till then, but once more he should pay money, should arrange money so that he could go Belmont, where Portia lived. He loved Portia very much and wanted to marry her. And because many princes, many kings, many rich persons were gathering there, they were trying their luck for the marriage with Porcia. In this category, Bassanio was also. But he was in shortage of money. That's why he came to Antonio and demanded money. As I told you that Bassanio was his close friend and his relative also. So Antonio had never rebuked him, refused him, denied him. This time he said that he had not money at this time, but he should find out in Venice if any person lends money, he would lend money for him at any interest. So he sent Bassanio to go to find out the money lender. Bassanio went and wandered here and there and found that there was one person in Venice who could lend money, and that was Shylock. I would like to tell you that Shylock was the enemy of Antonio. The reason was that Antonio insulted Shylock in the marketplace, because Shylock was a Jew, belonged to the minority. That's why, and he was very black. That's why Antonio insulted him. He spat on his clothes and he called him dog. So Shylock hated Antonio and wanted to take revenge of his insult from Antonio. When Bassanio reached him and asked for the money, and when he told that Antonio would take security of his money, Shylock agreed and suggested Bassanio to send at once at his residence. Today I am telling you till here, and tomorrow I will tell you the left portion, the remnant. You have to write down the question answer. I am sending the written question answer through your WhatsApp. Then switch on the WhatsApp and write the question answer which I have sent. Thank you very much.